In last period, we studied the spherical mirror and two types of spherical mirrors, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. Today we study the concepts related to spherical mirror, and this is very important topic related to ray diagrams by concave mirror, formation of image of object by concave mirror. Here we study the concepts related to spherical mirror, and this topic related to 3 marks question in your physics topic. Here concepts related to spherical mirror. First concept is, that is center of curvature. Center of curvature. Here you know what is meant by center of curvature. The center of sphere from which a spherical mirror is formed, that is called center of curvature. Here look, that is, for example, here a concave mirror, and here concave mirror is a part of one single sphere, and this is the center of that particular sphere from which that concave mirror is formed. Hence, the center, what is center of curvature? The center of sphere from which spherical mirror is formed called center of curvature, of spherical mirror, center of curvature of spherical mirror, and it is denoted by a small c. That is the definition of center of curvature. Because this question asks for 1 mark, what is center of curvature? Then it is necessary to write this definition: the center of sphere from which a spherical mirror is formed, called center of curvature of spherical mirror, and it is denoted by a small c. Here, center of curvature of concave mirror is in front of the mirror, and center of curvature of convex mirror is to right side of the mirror. Here in this way. Here that is called center of curvature. Then second concept, pole of mirror. Second concept, pole of mirror. It is denoted by small p. What is the meaning of pole? The center of a spherical mirror which is formed or which is on the mirror, that is called a pole of the mirror. Means a center of spherical mirror is called a pole of the mirror. Center of spherical mirror is called pole, and pole present on mirror. Center of a spherical mirror is called pole, and pole present on the mirror denoted by small p. That is a second concept of spherical mirror. Then third concept of spherical mirror, that is principal axis. What is the meaning of principal axis? Look towards the diagram. The imaginary straight line which passing from center of curvature and pole, that is called principal axis of the mirror. The imaginary straight line which passing from center of curvature and pole, that is called a principal axis of the mirror. Means the imaginary straight line imaginary straight line passing from center of curvature and pole each called principal axis, and look here, when object on the principal axis, then that object can concave mirror or convex mirror can form the image of that object, that is said to be the principal axis. Then next and very important concept is that focus of concave mirror. Focus of concave mirror. What is focus of concave mirror? Look toward this diagram. When a light rays parallel to principal axis, when light rays are parallel to principal axis and all the light rays can reflect from this concave mirror, and after reflection all reflected rays meet at a single point on the principal axis in front of the mirror, and that point is called a focus of concave mirror. Look carefully. Focus of concave mirror is in front of the mirror, to left side of the mirror. It is necessary to understand the size of the mirror, side of the focus in concave mirror and in a convex mirror. Means look here, what is the definition of focus of concave mirror? When light rays parallel to principal axis, all reflected rays meet at single point on principal axis in front of mirror. That point is called focus of concave mirror. That point is called focus of concave mirror, denoted by F. Focus of concave mirror is to left side of the mirror, in front of the mirror, and look here, a focus of convex mirror is to right side of the mirror, means behind the mirror. Focus of convex mirror is to behind the mirror. Here these light rays of focus extend here, and that is said to be the focus of convex mirror. Here focus of concave mirror and focus of convex mirror. Then what is my focal length? The distance between focus and pole of mirror is called focal length. Focal length denoted by small f. And look here, focal length is half of the radius of mirror. F equals to R by 2. Focal length is half of the radius, and these are the concepts related to spherical mirror. You can write the notes and draw this diagram carefully and learn and understand the topic carefully.